Greetings friends, this is Vincent from Golden Key Realty again, bringing to yet another project. This is again in the heart of Whitefield, a very well-known area. It's called Kannamangala. We are here to focus on another project. This project is about 5 acres, 524 units. It's ongoing right now, possession in 30 months, Vastu compliant, 3 bedrooms only. The entire project is going to be 3 bedrooms. I'll be going into the construction site. It is the sizes is 1550 square feet going up to about 2030. We'll go inside and have a look at the model as well as the construction site. So this is where we are right now. The plan is already approved by RERA. We've got all the bank approvals. We've got everything in place. The legal documentation is clear. Handover is a clear timeline of 30 months. And this is an exclusive 3-bedroom project. It's going to be a G+24 structure in Kannamangala. People who know the area of Whitefield, Kannamangala know exactly how proximity it is to the old Madras Road. In the distance you see Brigade Exotica right there. Okay, and so very well connected to Whitefield, the major IT hubs, old Madras Road and the works. Okay, so very well connected. 30 months handover, only a 3-bedroom project from 1550 square feet going up to about 2030. So the price range is roughly about 1.7 to 2.3 ballpark, obviously negotiable. We've got a staff here who can assist you and help you with your purchase with regards to inventory and choice. And they have delivered about 12 to 14 projects in the past with 25 years of rich history. Okay, so that's the site office, and we will be going inside to look at the model as well. So somebody who's looking for a nice 3-bedroom unit in a 30-month timeline in Kannamangala area, you can definitely come and have a look. We've got all approvals. Okay, so we've got RERA approved, we've got the TDR, we have got the approvals for 24 floors and the banks also. Okay, so everything is up for grabs, everything is crystal clear, documentation is crystal clear. You can have a look at it. We'll just go inside the site office, have a look at the model as well. So we are here in the model house. Is the master plan, and this is the rich history of the developer of developing these projects right here. So we'll just go into the scale model as well. Now we walk into the area which has the model unit. This is how it greets you. Just to give you a brief of the developer, they've been in the business for 25 years, handed over about 12 to 13 projects. This is the one that they have in Kannamangala, one of the biggest that they've ever planned. 5.5 acres, 524 units, all 3 bedrooms. So this is the model unit that we're standing outside. I'll just go in. What you see is what you get. Is absolutely clear. We've got the Yale Smart Lock, which is across all the apartments. And this is a 1860 square feet super built up area. You walk inside the house. This is the expanse of the living and the dining. This is how it looks like. So they've not compromised on space, they haven't compromised on luxury, they haven't compromised on paperwork, they haven't compromised on legalities, and they haven't compromised on your Vastu as well. So this is the size of the kitchen. A very, very liberal size, a generous size for an 1860 square feet apartment. Somebody is looking for value for money in this particular micro market and in this particular time frame can definitely have a look. This is your master bedroom. The master bedroom comes with wooden flooring. We've got 3 decks, which is unheard of these days. Balconies were in fashion till about 7 to 8 years ago. Then builders maybe made the balconies disappear, but now in this project we've got 3 balconies, 2 with the bedrooms and 1 with the living area. Okay, so your good old days of sitting in the balcony, standing in the balcony comes back. This is your washroom attached, and this is your living and dining. This is the deck that you have with the main living and dining area, enough for having at least 2-3 chairs and a coffee table, good enough for your evening tea, coffee, soirees and small get-togethers. This is how it looks like, and we go into the second bedroom. The second bedroom size, you can see that's your closet area, that's the washroom, and this becomes your deck again. Okay, so this is the large size deck that you have. This is the second deck of the house. Third actually, one with the master bedroom, second with the living dining, and now with this one. And this is your common utility washroom, and this becomes your third bedroom. So this is how it looks like. This is standard 1860 square feet, okay, with 3 decks, and in a project that is in a very upcoming market. Is already established. Actually, I would not like to use the word upcoming because they've got ample projects in this vicinity, close to Old Madras Road, stone's throw away from Whitefield, close to all the tech parks, the IT hubs, the places of entertainment and education. And this is your expanse for an 1860 square feet. Do like, share and subscribe to my videos as I continue bringing in projects across the city of Bangalore for you to make a better and more informed decision regarding your home buying process. Right? This is Vincent from Golden Key Realty. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.